The United States appears to have reached a high level of readiness for potential ground operations in Venezuela. Publicly known deployments, training drills, and regional presence suggest a combination of air, sea, and land capabilities poised for rapid integration. This includes advanced rotary wing assets, amphibious platforms, armored vehicles, night operations teams, long-range drones, and a strong logistical footprint in the Caribbean. Rotary wing operations in littoral zones include repeated high-tempo flights of Apache and Viper attack helicopters, often supported by MV-22 Ospreys carrying troops, equipment, and light vehicles from amphibious ships to shore. Training scenarios incorporate live-fire maneuvers at authorized ranges, combining 30mm cannon runs, hydro-rocket pods, and simulated suppression techniques. Air crews practice coordinated multi-aircraft approaches, rapid insertion and extraction procedures, and simultaneous flights from different vectors to maintain continuous coverage over coastal areas. Ospreys operate alongside attack helicopters, rehearsing vertical lift transfers, sling load resupply, and quick repositioning, emphasizing interoperability between rotary and tilt-rotor platforms. Exercises integrate low-light and nighttime operations, ensuring aviation units can operate continuously across the 24-hour cycle while maintaining synchronization with amphibious and armored units on the ground. Maintenance crews and forward refueling teams run parallel drills to validate aircraft availability and operational endurance, creating a comprehensive multi-layered air capability. Amphibious operations involve a sequence of landing craft air cushion and traditional landing ships delivering amphibious assault vehicles, light armored vehicles, and logistical equipment onto coastal beaches. These rehearsals prioritize throughput and timing, ensuring that personnel and cargo can flow from ship to shore in rapid succession. Heavier assets such as M1, Abrams tanks, engineer vehicles, and cargo trucks are staged for coordinated offload, with units practicing ramp management, sequencing, and rapid consolidation on the beachhead. Shore party elements establish temporary staging areas and forward supply points, enabling sustained movement of equipment and troops. Coordination between ships, craft, and personnel emphasizes rapid communication, damage control drills, and simultaneous offloading from multiple platforms. The combined effect is a seamless demonstration of moving massed personnel and varied equipment onto the coast, while maintaining the capacity to sustain follow-on operations inland. Amphibious combat vehicles and heavier tracked and wheeled platforms disembark from landing craft and advance inland in coordinated formations. Training focuses on terrain navigation, convoy security, integration with supporting infantry units, and coordination with forward air and artillery support. Crews perform system checks, communications validation, and battlefield damage control drills immediately upon leaving the beach. Logistical support nodes provide fuel, maintenance, and rapid resupply to ensure continuous movement. Engineers practice route clearance, temporary bridging, and obstacle mitigation to simulate inland mobility under challenging conditions. These rehearsals test both the mechanical resilience of armored platforms and the ability to sustain coordinated movement over extended distances. Night Stalker units operate extensively in low-light and high-risk conditions, using MH-60 and MH-6 helicopters equipped with night vision, infrared targeting, and secure communications. Crews practice rapid insertion and extraction, coordination with ground team, and timing for simultaneous multi-unit operations. Night drills include silent approaches, precision placement of personnel and small vehicles, and immediate extraction under darkness. Aviation support teams run night maintenance, forward refueling, and logistics to ensure aircraft availability during extended night operations. These units provide continuous operational capability across the 24-hour cycle, giving commanders flexibility to maintain tempo, achieve surprise, and support concurrent daytime missions. Night Stalker elements are critical for integrating air mobility, close support, and special operations in complex, multi-domain scenarios. Air operations combine F-15 Strike Eagles, F-18 Hornets, long-range patrol aircraft, and MQ-9 Reaper drones to create layered strike, reconnaissance, and surveillance capability. Manned aircraft conduct high-speed ingress and egress runs, simulated precision strikes, and coordination with ground forces, while drones provide persistent observation, target tracking, and sensor relay across a broad operational area. Aircrew and drone operators rehearse handoffs, target designation, and integration into a common operational picture. Exercises also simulate rapid retasking, engagement of multiple target sets, and coordination with naval and amphibious forces. Long-duration unmanned operations provide continuous coverage, enhancing situational awareness and allowing strike aircraft to focus on time-sensitive operations. The combination of manned and unmanned platforms maximizes flexibility, persistence, and the ability to respond to evolving scenarios in real time. A robust regional presence underpins all operations. Amphibious ships, destroyers, and support vessels patrol maritime corridors, while aircraft operate from regional bases in Puerto Rico and surrounding territories. Logistical hubs provide fuel, maintenance, and personnel rotation capabilities, supporting sustained multi-domain readiness. Ships act as mobile platforms for aviation, helicopters, and landing craft, while airfields enable rapid deployment and redeployment of air assets. Surface patrols, maritime surveillance, and naval logistics exercises maintain continuity of presence, allowing forces to coordinate sea, air, and land rehearsals simultaneously. This persistent footprint ensures readiness for extended operations, rapid surge capacity, and integration of multiple platforms across a wide theater of operations. The combination of advanced helicopters, tiltrotors, amphibious craft, armored vehicles, night-capable aviation units, manned strike aircraft, drones, and a strong regional naval and logistical presence demonstrates a level of readiness that could support complex, multi-domain ground operations. Coordination between air, sea, and land platforms allows forces to integrate amphibious landings with inland mechanized movements, continuous aerial surveillance, and night operations, all backed by logistical hubs and staging bases in the Caribbean. These rehearsals and capabilities reflect the depth, flexibility, and rapid response potential that modern multi-domain forces can maintain, illustrating why readiness and posture are crucial for projecting operational options in any theater.